everyone. Hi. Okay. As usual, just gonna wait for the stream to show up and the actual return. There we go. Let me check if the sound is okay. For the people who are here, do you guys hear me? Okay, everything seems to be alright. Nice. Oh, hello everyone. Hello and welcome. Hi man, hello there. How are you doing? How is your Tuesday? Okay, I need to prep a few things before we get started. I'm gonna open my Figma to show you what we're going to work on. But it should be interesting. Interesting enough, that is. Yeah, we do have a lot of work to do. This was a stream that I wanted to do for a long time now. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. Can you guys hear me properly? And how are the music levels? Well, how is the music level? We should be all good. Yeah. We do. Kinda miss you already. Long time no seeing your content and tutorials. Oh. Yeah, it's been a while, but gonna work on those. All is well. Watching you from Kiev. Really nice. That's so nice. Hell yeah. That's great. International watchers. How are things, by the way, in Kiev? Gonna still wait a little bit. Hi, everyone. Hi. Do you think I should put, by the way, the chat on screen at some point? Nah, I guess like you already have it on screen, eh? On YouTube? Yeah. Yeah, for that, for the tutorial comment, the thing is actually like the different tutorials that I did, like a thing that I would like to do is actually like live the actual tutorials themselves, because like you can watch it live and then after that like do an actual editing of the thing and put it on my channel. This will be what this will become at some point. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's Ukraine. Hello everyone joining. What are you listening to right now? So this is, I can show you. This is a little playlist at the moment. Coding scene, there we go. She's just a simple little playlist with like royalty-free house, because like before I did put on a few titles that was on my Spotify, but I did have copyright strikes. Yeah, so we are trying to not do that in the future. Yeah, let's try to be careful about that. Okay, well, I guess I can directly show you what we're going to work on. So yeah, today, a little bit of a portfolio. I would like to finish it by September, but it seems to be very, very difficult time-wise. But yeah, this is what we're going to work on. Way simpler than what I had before. yeah, this is what I had. Big 3D stuff coming in, and then actually like a few presentation of different projects that I worked on before. And this is connected to an Airtable. This was my way of my little CMS, if you wish. But yeah, I would like to simplify all this for something a little more, yeah, that breathes a little bit more. So yeah, for the moment, this is what we have. Nothing too fancy. That, and I think my... Oh, well, we can already work on that, I guess. Yeah, I do have a working router, but this is all we have at the moment. A few animations. Yeah, what I would like to work on this afternoon, my bad. So as you can see on those different, big parts, if you could, like, not submenus, on those different routes, there we go. Project route, workshop route, content and contact route. The header really is very similar on every one of those, so I guess we're going to start with that. Yeah, simply get going with this. So basic UI development for today, and I guess at some point, oh, I forgot to actually record the thing. Start recording, there we go. And yeah, at some point we're going to tackle the 3D aspect of the portfolio, because like what you see behind there, the idea that I had was to have this loading page right there with a bunch of words related to my work sort of swooshing around, like changing letters and everything, like a little bit like this style. And, you know, like snapping in and out of places or whatever. And this shape right there with a smooth like 60 FPS rotation would randomly switch between shapes that would be related to my work. For the moment, it's a simple render of a geosphere that I done in Blender. But yeah, it would be nice to do that. So I guess we can get started. Tell me if the code size is enough for you guys. But it should be. It should be. Let me close everything and we can get started. So yeah, this is done in React. Nothing too fancy. I haven't learned React, actually. I'm not a React guru at all. Can I do something like this though? What if I do, yeah, something like this and something like that. Boom. Boom, yeah. I will try to not code under this line right there. So yeah, this project is done in React. Not a big React guy, but I always wanted to learn, and I guess this is the good opportunity to do it. So if you see React atrocities, do not hesitate to let me know, in a nice way, obviously. I know that React has some of the, if I can say, aggressive community ever, but it's okay. We're gonna work with it. UI page header. This is what we are looking for. I think, yeah. Page header, and this is, for example, going to go into the project view. There you go. Class name, this will be projects. Page header. Page header, nice. Okay. So this is what we would like. Big H1 right there. Some things here, and my header. Oh, my header isn't here. This is interesting. Why is that? Huh. It's supposed to be here. Interesting.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound.
Oh, the his here. Yeah, my bad.
Somewhat like love when concentrated.
SolidWorks is sending weird things. Let me check it out. SolidWorks. And task. Boom. H1, this is going to be the title. Well, we're going to do it this way. Four lines of Flow and Ipsum. Yeah. Well, more like 2 lines. Oh.
Sometimes in water, there is the sound, which is what
What?
we have found to be somewhat like love when concentrated. With the correct color of black Kool-Aid. Perfect and perfect.
There we go. That's weird. Oh, yeah. Already makes more sense. I guess it's 4M, something like that. Oh my god, I'm so used to actually like write stylus. I need to lose those ways of typing.
Somewhat like love when concentrated. With the correct color of black Kool-Aid.
Yes. What is the size of my H1 on the home though? Two M's, eh? Okay. This is not enough, for sure. Did I do anything, the mix-ins and stuff? Can't remember. 2 rem, there you go. This is... Whoa. Yeah, makes more sense. Yeah, something along those lines. Nice. Display grid, column gap and everything. Okay. Okay, I don't remember how you do functions in SAS. Include. Thank you. This is gonna be a really chill stream. We know that for a fact. Class name, this is the page header. Subtitle. Description. Yeah. Check if that works. That's not a thing, eh? Is that only a SAS thing to do that? Is it? Page header, where you got a description. Let's try you out. Oh. Huh. Yeah, this is supposed to work. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we already have CSS problems. Mistyping the name. I mean, description? Description. Oh. Yep. Yeah. Thank you. See, already. We knew that was bound to happen. We knew it. Line height. Okay. Grid column start. We start at 2. We start at 1. Huh. Yeah, there you go. And this stops at 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. This is going to be really, really chill. Do not hesitate if you do have any particular question while coding. Is it better if I code this way, like going into VS Code and then like alt tabbing back into Chrome, or is it better if I do help screens like that? I guess it will depend on the actual way of working, like what we will be looking on and everything. Like since we're going to look at UI most of the stream, I guess like this makes more sense, right? Makes more sense to me. That, and we do need a line at the very bottom. Okay. Boom. Do something like that. Height 2 pixels. I guess we don't want width since we're working with grids. We want that, right? From there to, I guess it's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. So that too. Nice. But 1 pixel should be plenty. How far are you from the top actually? 50 pixels, something like that? Oh my god, I'm never going to get used to SAS. Yeah. Okay. We need this to breathe a little bit more. We are getting there a little bit, like slowly but surely, sort of. Nice. Okay. Actually, a thing that I would like to do is to do the same animation as in the, yeah, this homepage. But for the projects, we're going to see how I built that, because this was a long time ago, like a long time ago. If I go into home, header, there we are. So we have that. Oof, this is going to be a big one. Okay, so I did that with gsap. How did that work? Appear title, use effect. So for that, lines per the current child. Okay, so this is for the animation of the lines. Appear title, so you take care of that. And title p1.parent. What is that? Okay. Huh. Use ref. Oh, okay, so this is used to, okay, understood. Interesting. So yeah, appear title, that current child, that length. What is that used for? Oh, okay. Okay. Understood. Oof, this is going to be quite a headache already. So first of all, yeah, we do need a few variables. Title parent. We're gonna need a little bit of a use ref. Boom. Whoa. Disclaimer, I am a little bit tired. Encoding feels mushy at the moment. What is that for? Use ref is defined, but okay. Was defined, my bad. There you go. And this is what we're going to use. All right. What is this here? Did I use a diff? No, I did use an H1. And this is what is going to take the ref. Okay. And this is the title parent. And this is where we have that. Okay. This will be the title string.
You locked in the groove.
And in there, yeah, this is where we do a loop and actually separates the strings into different spans that we're going to put into the H1. Makes sense to me? Sort of. Kinda. Title string. We take this, we return that. Yeah, So this should work. We should have a few spans in our H1 displaying project. That's the case. Nice. Okay, yeah, that's great. Nice, nice, nice. Once we do have this, we will need to use this magnificent function. We're going to copy paste it at first, and if we do use this particular function over and over again, we are going to make it a sort of class or something. Appear title part right there. We are not going to use a delay, but that's okay. And then on the use effect, this is when we launch this thing. Okay. Use effect. Oh my god, I'm getting used to this keyboard. Made the switch to QWERTY not that long ago, and I still have a few muscle memory thingies from a Xerty. We're not going to use that. We're going to use, yeah, appear title, yeah. And we use the title parent. We're going to use the title string, I guess. No, and this takes that character. Yeah, we shouldn't have any errors, do we? Random character. Oh yeah, we do need that. And what else? gsap. We do need gsap. Nice. Oh, that was super easy to implement. Happy about that. Nice. It's great. We should make the bottom text appear. Yeah, we should both do the bottom text appear from left to right and the line as well, like drawing from the left to the right. Because this is exactly what we have on the home page with the vertical lines. So it would make sense visually to do that as well here. So let's do this. Oh, this is just how I did that. Yeah, we're going to use CSS. That's all right. That works to me. Line parents. Okay, so we do use a uref here too. Nice. Bottom line. Yeah, this and this ref will be here. Bottom line dot class list dot add on. I wonder if you can hear the plane right now. Plane passing by, making a bunch of noise. I wonder. Oh, I do have an error, eh? Already. Properties are undefined. Oh, current. Yeah. Prop2 link is undefined. That's interesting. Unlike unknown errors pointing to bundles, I love it. What is the issue with that? Syntax error. There's an issue with what I just did right there. Nope. We're going to take a look at that later. Appears to be a problem with my... Oh, apparently a little issue. Oh, Jesus. Double posted a story. That happened multiple times. Yeah. Going to delete that one. And that one too. Boom. What else is going on? Not much. Okay. Oh, Jesus. I do have a warning. Is defined but never used. Interesting. Yeah, I guess right there, right? Yeah. Let's try to address this error, even though I don't want to. Failed to proper the prop 2. The type, the prop 2. Marked as required in link, but there's no value isn't defined. I guess this is in my home thingy. I guess it's in navigation, so the main header, I assume. No. So that's new to me. Failed prop type, the prop 2 is marked as required in link, but its value is undefined. Where do I use link? I use in links. I don't use link. Yeah, in links everywhere. Oh. Oh. Okay. So you're telling me something here is undefined, right? This is what you're saying. Yeah. Interesting. And why is that exactly? Because every single one of those here are defined. Huh. This seems to be double rendered, which is weird. Yeah. Very interesting. Yeah, it is rendered twice. I think this is a later problem, but why? Does this happen on the home page? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Do we agree that if I do this, the problem goes away? No. Oh. Found it. This is in the footer area. Yeah, I do have the text, but I don't have the link. Yeah. We're going to do some ninja keyboard magic to resolve that issue. And link is equal to something like that for the moment. And now we still have one contact. Why would that be an issue? That's weird. What? Home, projects. And contact is in the main header that I don't have it. I do. This is starting to piss me off a little bit. But this is the life of a developer, debugging all the time. But now I have only one undefined, and I don't like it. This is home, this is project, this is workshop, this is content, this is contact. Now for some weird reason, we are back into projects. We're going to just find where the links are with no link attached to it. Next page. There you go. I knew it. And we put a link here, that goes here. No more errors, there we go. Can be proud. In links, you go to F out, and we go back on here. Nice. We do have a manifest problem. This is business as usual. Let me just close everything for the moment. And we were on here, page header. Yeah, and the next thing we wanted to do was that. Do I have any animation thingies right there? We don't. So on the line, when we add an on-class name to the thing, does that work if I do width 100%? Does that still work? Please, Marius, this is not stylus. Seven of you right now on YouTube watching. Thank you for joining. Okay, does that work? Project. No, it doesn't. How are we going to do that? I guess we can put that out of the grid. This will be easier. So we get a page header, and we're going to create something like this. This is the page header grid wrapper. Boom. And we take you out of here. Page header description. Yeah. Thinking. My brain really is slow today. I'm sorry about that. So yeah, now the width 100% works. So if I take it, put it on here, I put 0 there, we should have a nice animation. We don't. We take the line, and if we have an on class list, this is what happens. Yeah, and we do need a transition, and we should be okay. Transition, and this is on the width, or let's say 0.5 seconds. Nice, and we want to add a delay, let's say 1 second delay. Nice. Nice. 9 viewers on here. Hello, everyone. Yeah, now let's take care of this. We would like to do a sliding animation from left to right and make that appear. Yeah. So for that, this is a description. We're going to use ref again. Description. Description element. Ref. Well, I guess same thing. Yeah, we're going to do that. We're going to use CSS. We are going to use CSS. So exactly the same thing as here. Description element, we do that. We add an on. Classes are the thing. And there we go, double digits, 10 viewers. Hello, everyone. This is a big milestone. It is. So you translate, transform, translate 3D, and we go back to 0, 0, 0 with an opacity of 1. And we do the opposite right above. With sliding on the X by minus 10 pixels, opacity of 0. We would like a transition of that with, let's say, 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 delay, 0.5 second delay. Where is it? There you go. Description, we do have an on and on. And you are not working because oh, yeah. Nice. 0.5 seconds. There you go. Nice slide. This is smooth enough. What do you guys think? What are we missing right now? Good. I would like to use props though, because right now, like, this is hard coding. We're going to use that for every single routes. Yeah, the projects, the workshop, the content, and the contact information. So yeah, let's use props. What time is it? 4:39. We've been live for an hour and 14 minutes. That's great. We do have a record of visits today. Yeah, but not a really interactive chat at the moment. How are you guys doing? Where are you watching from, by the way? That I'm curious about. Saw someone from Kiev, which is rad, but also very, very scary. I guess some people in France are watching. I would assume Canada as well. US, maybe? Oh, sorry, I do have a call at the moment. Boom, boom, boom. Let me check if this is not an emergency. Egypt. That's rad. That's so nice. Thanks for watching. What time is it over there in Egypt? Raspberry. Yeah. Yeah. That's less rad, but still. So yeah, I do have that. Yeah, I wanted to use props. There you go. This is what I wanted to do. So yeah, page header instead of that. No. So yeah, instead of the string, we're going to use the props that go here. These are the props that title. Sorry, just checking if there's 4:44. You mean not AM, right? No, not AM. Oh, we have the same time zone as Egypt? Wait. We are. Didn't know that. Oh. Yeah, you guys are on GMT +2, just like us. Interesting. So yeah, props. So that's for the title. Yes, and we do want to do the same for... Yeah, for the description. PM. Okay, yeah. Props. Description. Oh, this is not like in view, right? We only need... Yeah, one like that. Boom, and this goes here with the title right there. Yeah, this is just projects. Wait, what? Yeah. Did I just use the word description? Description text. Oops, someone is coming into the office. I guess they might come in. If they do, I'm gonna just do the little break scene, just like that. This is just for show, by the way. 1, 2, 3. And now we're back. Yeah, this will be my emergency button right there. Boom. Technology. So yeah, what did I want to do already? Yeah, that description text. Yeah. And that is equal to yeah, something like that. We go back here, we grab this. Boom, does that still work? Should. Obviously. With the property of undefined split. What is that? Title. Tile, obviously. Nice. But the animation here doesn't work anymore. Description on, this is what happens. Why? Why? Yeah, so this works. So this means that the on is added and the transition is supposed to work as well. If I wait for 2 seconds before this happens. No. Why is that? Yeah. And why is this put into quotation marks? Because this is a text. So this is not a proper thing anymore. Weird. Is single quote going to do a difference? Description text. Let's try out single quotes to see what happens. Boom. No. Very interesting. When the transition doesn't work. Invalid property value. Oh. Was that the issue? Yeah. Obviously it was. 0.5 seconds. Okay, great. So based on that, we should be able to generate the other routes very easily. Well, easily enough, I guess. Sorry, freelance emergency. Well, not really an emergency, but I need to answer. Boom. Okay. Okay, so let's generate the others. So this is for the project. Oh, we do need though to create the... Let's do it anyway. Well, I will need to do it at some point. Yeah. So projects, workshop slash Command C, Command V dot GSX. We take all of that, put it here, replace that by workshop. Workshop, this is the workshop right there. I need to grab the text. This is a bug that I need to address. I think when I do the animation and I switch windows, there's like an issue with the set timeout or something. I need to wait a little bit, and if I come back, no. But that did happen on the home page as well. And I need to find the problem to this issue. I need to. Boom. We take the text. That, and we need to add that to what exactly? or we just need the route. Yeah, this is what we need. So on the app route path projects, yeah, there you go. That goes into workshop. And this takes workshop right there. And this is auto imported. Nice. We're going just to put it right next to projects. Yeah, do something a little proper like that. Nice. And now let's add. Oh, already there. Nice. So we do have projects. Boom. Now workshop. Great. Homepage. Projects. Workshop. That's nice. It's very, very nice. Okay. Next, we need to do content and contact, and we should be all right for that part of the portfolio. We are making progress. We are. Views, new file, content. .gsx, and same thing for contact. .gsx. Contact. Boom. We do have a lot of work on this project, like a lot of work. Because I would also like to review my deployment strategy. For the moment, I only use Netlify. It would be rad to actually like use an AWS Amplify or something. It would be great. Content. Oh, this is double. Oh, this is going to be interesting. How am I going to take care of that? Huh. Because like I need to implement a BR or something, but I guess this is not going to work right away. Like a line break in here. Curious, you're using Vue in your Overwatch course, and now you're using React. Any reason why the switch? I haven't used React professionally, either in any agencies or freelance, and I wanted to have it in my arsenal. So for the moment, the portfolio seems to be a good place to start using the thing. So yeah, it's just pure curiosity. And also, I guess it's a nice exercise to test different frameworks to try to measure your adaptability to other workflows and stuff like that. And like I already learned so much by myself, and like asked a few friends and stuff like how they manage their things in React, and it is sort of different in a lot of ways compared to Vue, but so similar at the same time. Doesn't make really much sense, but I mean it. Content, boom, okay. Workshop, you're going to go up here. Content and contact. So home, projects, workshop, content. Okay, so this doesn't work right there. And contact. Hell yeah. So we do need to find a solution to have that compiled in HTML. Pass HTML code as, well, in React. You can use mixed arrays with the string in JSX. Oh! Something like this. Okay, let's try that out. Interesting. I see, yeah. So this was in content, description text. Yeah, and this is where I implement this. Does that work? Just going to try that first. Nice. So first part of the text goes here. And the second part right there. Nice. Each this should have a unique key prop, especially as it's child from content. Really? Projects, workshop, content. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, now I need to do the line height for the line break. Yes, in there I do have that. Okay. I can make it global because I'm going to use BRs quite a lot. VRAMs, is that way too much? Not working. I guess it's the margin that we need. Ten pixel. Okay. Change BR size in CSS. BR height using CSS. Content margin display block. Isn't that not the best way to do that? I don't have something like way cleaner to do this. All right. Why the font size though? Okay, nice. We still do have that key problem. Each shard in the list should have a unique key prop. Looks like this is a later down the line problem. Okay. Oh, we're streaming for an hour. Let me stop recording and start a new one. Nice. And the contact works too. Great. What's next? We could tackle the projects page, but this is going to require a backend, and I haven't thought about that yet. I'm going to handle that. I guess simple Airtable is what I'm going to use as per my previous portfolio. Yeah, this is what's going to take the most out of me, I guess. And the content section is the thing that appears to be, yeah, like sort of pure UI, and the contact page too. We could do the contact page right now. Yeah. Let's do a little bit of that and we call it a day for this stream. Wasn't that long, I know. But I think that's already a good one, like a good start. This is like my very first like live coding stream in a long time. And this is my very first one alone though. How do you do the text animation? This is a good question. Let me talk to you about that. So, how does that work? I have a string that I put into a container. I'm going to show you. There we go, in an H1 container, and I separate each character into a span. So that allows me to do this sliding animation. Just imagine a letter going from left to right without doing the like this shuffling random character thingy. Once I have that in mind, I just have to implement this random character switcher. And for that, here is how I did it. The project is going to be the easiest one, page header. Character at, how did I do that? Boom, 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 yeah, okay. So this is what I did. So this, using gsap, this is my handler for doing the sliding animation from left to right, and as you can see, it starts at opacity 0 with an X translation of minus 10%, and it ends at opacity of 1 and an X translation of 0. So this is just a sliding animation. But what I did is, on update, meaning every single frame of the animation, every 3 frame, the characters, so each and every span, go and takes a random character. And this goes in here and samples between those little characters right there. For example, if in here I only have, let's say, like A's and B's, this is what it is going to sample. You saw that? Saw that. So yeah, it just takes that and it returns it. And every 3 frame, this random character changes. But if I am 3 frames away from finishing the animation, I just return the initial state, which was the actual character at the time in the beginning of the animation. So I explained it fairly fast, but it is a simple, very simple animation. Yeah. And I use the exact same one for the home page. But yeah, it's just a sliding animation with changing random characters. Like if I take that out, you'll see it's just, oh, yeah, because I did it on the project. Yeah, you see just that. A slight sliding from left to right. And yeah. Yeah, simple. Smart AF. It's simple, really is. But yeah, that on update callback, very, very, very useful. And yeah, put that in a component. We use it for every single page header, and this is what you have. Yeah. Oh, this is groovy. What do? We do a little bit of UI on the contact page, like this, or do we do a little bit of fun stuff and touch a little bit of the WebGL with this? I just would like to set up a scene and just like add this ball. What do we do? I guess threejs is the more attractive part of the thing. Just drink some water first. Oh, Jesus. We did some progress though. Like WebGL. Yeah. I thought someone would ask WebGL. Let's do some WebGL. Do we already implement a loader? Yeah. Why the hell not? We're going to need it at some point. Let me open Blender very quick. Blender doesn't want to cooperate. There you go. Boom. I just want a very simple icosphere. Yeah, simple as that. I could generate that directly into threejs, but I need an importer because like this is not the only thing that I'm going to need. Icosphere, and I would like a few others so that I can switch between the few. So I guess that too. Let's change it a little bit. Major segment, no. Yeah, something like that. Next, simple cube. Oh, you know what? Monkey. That is upside down for some reason. Interesting. Let me take everything and apply my transforms. Okay. And let's take that and export it. Export in GLTF. Where am I going to put that? Nope. Yeah, web, portfolio, public, assets, 3D, models. Oh, we already have a test.glb. Oh, interesting. Test2.glb. In geometry, I only would like to include, selected objects, export. Nice. Boom. Okay. So this was in the home header. Wasn't it? Oh, this is the main header, not the home header. The home header, there you go. Yeah, WebGL background, there you go. Already have a tiny little cube right there. WebGL background. There we are. And this goes into the main 3 scene. Nice. Yeah, we do have everything here. I already did the implementation of this. So this, if you followed my Awards Academy course, this is the exact same starter, but imported into oh. Yeah, did my voice go away for a while again? I need to change this cable. This like, ugh. I'm saying it like over and over again, but I need to order a new one. I will try to do that this week. Slash. Let's start with the cam parallax, actually. .js. Whoops. Jesus, can you? Thank you. And that camera parallax, well, you know it, you love it. The good old threejs cam parallax. That's the one. This one right there. I'm going to put it in chat just in case. But yeah, boom. Cam parallax.js. I'm going to yank you and take you right there. Yeah, and into the main 3 scene we import it. Cam parallax from oh, come on, really? I don't have path also feel. Why is that? I hate that. Scene utils. Cam parallax.js. It's just a warning because I didn't use it, eh? Orbit control. We don't want to use you anymore. Dots init. And I need this camera. Wait, did I? Something seems wrong. No? Okay. Is this working? Yeah. Jesus. Okay. Don't have no feedback. Don't like it. This is active by default and I need to update the camera. Cam parallax dot update. Jesus, there you go. Nice. Now it moves on mouse move. Easy, simple, practical. Yeah. Would like less wobbling around though. Is that possible? Can parallax, yeah, intensity. Let's go 03 and the ease. The ease is okay. Yeah, a tad better. Nice, and we're going to actually need, let's call it the item switcher. .js. Oh, I shouldn't do that this way. I know it. Cam dash, parallax, item switcher here. Item switcher.js. Yeah, I need to import that because now it's wrong. Parallax.js. Nice. Item switcher, and this is a class. We need a constructor. We need a binding method. Don't know if we're going to need an update at some point, but maybe. Who knows? This.bind, this is your classic. This is going to be a singleton. Instance. This is a new item switcher. And we export that. We export default instance. Okay. So in that, what do we need? We do need a GLTF loader. GLTF loader from the examples, the JSMs in there. What is that? Importers? No, loaders. Yeah. Loaders, GLTF loader. Boom. So nice, and we need an init. That's going to take the scene, and we're going to implement that as an object. This scene is equal to scene. Boom. Nice. This scene. Okay, do we have that? We do. Okay, it's time. Let's import the loader. Well, let's instance a new loader. Let's start model loader is a new GLTF loader. This model loader.load. This is where it's interesting. So we need to go into public. So this is the root. Why is that though? Why did I use uppercases for the first letter? This is not nice. Table. Adrien, stop it. Let's stay profesh. Let's try. Operation not permitted. What? What is going on? you serious right now? Yo. Let me stop that. Can I do it now? Okay, this is weird. This is really weird. Why did I use an uppercase to do that? Huh. Il a raison. Let us try to keep it corporate. Hi Adrian, 2 Adrians in the chat. Okay, let's go back in. BPM start. Let's wait, and boom. I beg your pardon? Oh, yeah, that's normal. Okay, assets. So we need to go into the assets. Assets, 3D models, and test2.glb. Assets, 3D models, test2.glb. And this returns a GLB object. I'm so slow with fat arrow functions. Jesus. Jesus. Okay, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is the problem right there. This here is the issue. Like, you will hear that I have like a few issues when I play around with it. And I hate it. I will replace it soon. I promise. I will try. I just need to not touch it anymore. But now it should be back. So yeah, this is a GLB scene. What did I want to do? Oh yeah. I wanted to traverse the thing. GLB.scene.traverse. Need to child that. Again, my very slow ass arrow functions. Perfect. Thank you. Yeah, if the child is an instance of a mesh from threejs, we do add it in the item group. Items group. Not add. Yeah, we do add this child. Boom. If everything goes to plan, if we do this dot scene, we can add this dot items group. Obviously. Properties of traverse is not a thing. It's not a thing, eh? Huh. Why is that? Why is that? Because I do have you Cannot view the properties of undefined. Problem is, the glb.scene is defined, eh? Yeah, there you go. So you can read it. Interesting. Is this the problem? I don't think so. It is. Jeez. Yeah, it seems that I have... By Jesus miracle, I hear again. He's good. He's really good. Why do I have that though? Let's ignore it for the moment, but I do not like it. And the items should be in the scene right now. Okay, what if I do that? Will you leave me alone? Okay. So it will leave me alone. Let's add a... Oh, monkey. Let's add a material to that to see what happens. So let's add a child of that. Oh. No? No. This should be... Yeah, it should be working. Do I have multiple child or something? No. Jesus. Okay, we'll find that later on. Maybe I just need an array. Like an array would like stop to do weird things. Like if I do that, and I do add that to the scene, and I do this dot items group dot push, and put the child in that. No. She doesn't want to do that, eh? Huh. This is weird. Alright, we'll see later. I want you to have a little bit of fun though. I want you to do something like that. This child dot material is a new 3 dot mesh normal material. There we go. We only see one monkey? Why is that? Oh wait, you need to save the Blender file, eh? We'll do that right away. Let's go here. Local E, web, portfolio, public, assets, 3D models. Items.blend. Nice. Why is that an issue? So we do have a monkey, but we don't have the rest. Mesh. This is really weird to me. Is that the problem? Huh. Let's do that. So I do see two meshes. Should be the icosphere. Oh, we do see the icosphere. We do see the Susan. We do not see, though, the torus. Let me re-export that to see if I did something wrong in here. That includes the selected objects. Yeah, and we're going to replace that. Why? 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 That's what she said. Obviously, that's what she said. Wow. Now I see them all. See the icosphere, I see the Taurus, I see the Susan. Why, when I want to add it to the scene, it doesn't work? Okay, this is what we're going to do for the moment, because like this is an issue that I do not understand at the moment. So we are going to directly do this. Boom. And boom. So now we should see everything, right? Yes, we do. That's not the most proper way to do it, but please maybe save the stream, and you can please share the grid system settings. I can share the grid settings. Please maybe save the stream. Actually, so here's a question for you viewers at the moment. In my YouTube channel right now, I'm going to show you that. YouTube. Boom, boom. My channel. So for the moment, my live streams are not shown on the videos, but they are in the playlists. You can go into previous streams, and now you have access to every single one of the streams that I did, and this one will be included in that playlist. My question is though, do you think it is a good idea for me to actually just leave the streams open on videos and not do a playlist you have to find yourself to go in here or whatever? What do you think? Can I leave them open to public, or do I leave them in the playlist section? Because this is a nice way to actually show the videos that took me a little bit more time to actually create. Because I think Dr. Disrespect leaves them on the video section, but also, I don't want to compare myself to him, but if you go to the video section, oh, well, that's not the case anymore. Oh, he does the exact same thing. Okay, before he did leave. Yeah, see? One is here right now. Yeah, but before he did leave every single one of his streams on the video section. But now he doesn't. Interesting. Okay, well, good to know. Good to know. But yeah, I want a grid system. Here it is. Where is it? Makes sense. Boom. This is my grid system. There you go. What was I doing already? Okay. So, we did do that. Yes, this is not the material that we want though. We would like a sort of wireframe material. So for that, let's go before this. Let's create a material right there. So this dot wireframe mat is going to be a new 3 dot. Is it mesh base? Yeah, mesh basic material. Color. This would be a next of not white. I would like gray. Yeah, something like that. And a wireframe. Wireframe, yeah. Wireframe is true. Need a comma in here. And this will be the wireframe mat. Yeah, there you go. This cube though is not helping us. Go away. There you go. And I would like him to. I would like to switch between the different geometries every couple of frames or something. So for that, let's add that to the update loop. Yeah. It's also the Ludwig style. You know Ludwig? Well, a lot of people like, yeah. Sorry, I acted like that because you're French and not a lot of French people watch Ludwig. I love Ludwig so much. It's also the Ludwig style. I do believe is the best way because adding uncut 2-hour videos is not the great content. But the best part of live stream is interaction with Mustache Man. Yeah, I do agree. Oh, it's already 5:34? Jesus. What did I want to do already? Yeah, switching between the things. So first of all, we need to add that to the loop. So for that, we go here and the item switcher, we update that. Nice, and we will need to add that to the bind loop, otherwise we're going to have issues. So this dot update is this dot update dot bind. This. Boom. So now we need to add a counter that every certain amount of frames it changes, right? Yeah. So let's do that. In here, this dot frame count is equal to 0. This dot frame count plus plus. Yeah. Okay, but we do have the same issue though, which is okay, let me display the scene again. I think this would be a good way for your users to see without searching your streams. But thanks for clarification on where to search. Thank you. Well, actually, I do mention that in every single one of my vids. Well, latest vids, though. Yeah, but you have access to them. Wait, Matt Reeves? You mean Michael Reeves, though? And Stuff Made Here. Stuff Made Here, huge fan. Michael Reeves, huge fan. I would like to do actually I would like to have my content right in between those because Michael Reeves is way too chaotic for me, and Stuff Made Here is a little bit too corporate for me. I would love in between the two. Because if you do Michael Reeves stuff right now, this could potentially ruin a career for you in anything serious. And Stuff Made Here, well, first of all, the sheer level of Stuff Made Here is insane. But yeah, something in between the middle would be nice. Colin Fuzz with a little bit more house, if it makes sense. What did I want to do already? Yeah. Maybe just think. Oh yeah. Items group. Yeah. And this dot items group is going to be the GLB scene. There we go. Nice. And I would like to console log the items group. Console log this dot items group. What is wrong with that? This assignment function call instead of saw expression. How is that? Line 12. Huh? Well, I guess it's null for now. Is this a problem? Yeah? Console.log. This will be this dot items group. No, not console.log, maybe it's this scene.add the items group. There you go. Wait, what? Okay, but like after that, I'm doing this. Can't you see it? Yeah, this is a group that has 3 children, 3 meshes. Nice. What do I do? Do I leave them in the scene or do I remove them from the scene? Like, what's the best way to do that? Let's think. I guess it's to leave them always in the scene and like hide and show a few of them? Or do I unload them, show them? Okay, I think we're going to hide them. This seems to be the better option. Don't know if you already explained, but why going full YouTube and not streaming on Twitch? I haven't talked about that yet. So this is a good question. I was on Twitch and I did have better, like more engagement on Twitch, but it was also at night with a few friends, better times for people to watch and stuff like that. But also, here's the thing. I feel that something's happening on YouTube and like my channel isn't something big, obviously, like it's really niche. I do make some okay content, I think. Like I'm not into the cringe part of my life anymore. So like if I need to make a choice for the long run, I choose YouTube because like everything is already here. And I guess it's easier to, yeah, there we go. I think it's easier to convert a usual YouTube watcher into a live streaming viewer, and to watch a regular live streaming viewer into a YouTube watcher because everything is already at the same place. It will take some time though for live viewers to come to YouTube, I guess, because like actual live viewers are mostly on Twitch. But yeah, this is one of the reasons, and also because like Twitch really is gaming based, and like I don't feel that as much on YouTube. Even though like Twitch is trying to be less and less that, but also, yeah, like I see a big switch. You can see it with Ludwig, with Dr. Disrespect. And yeah, I mean, YouTube offering $50K a month to be YouTube only is a little bit of it. Is a little bit of it, no. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah, far from bad. What did I want to watch? Yeah. Hide objects. threejs. Object.visible. There you go. So what do I want to do? If the frame count... Should we do a date now? Like to have an actual thing? Let's do it this way for now. If the frame count is bigger, let's say 2 seconds, so like 60, because like we're going at 60 FPS. Well, this is going to change according to your screen. Whatever, let's do it like this for now. We will do troubleshooting later. If the frame count goes above 60 FPS, 60 frames, first of all, the frame count goes back to 0, is 0, and frame count and item count. Need that as well. Item count. Do you think it would be a better idea for me to stream on Twitch? I did both. I am now used to YouTube. Yeah. Item count. The frame count goes back to 0. The item count takes 1 plus. Yeah. And also the item count is going to be that, and we take the mod of that being the item group's length. So that when we arrive at the length, we go back to 0, meaning that we never touch the actual length itself because we started 0 on the index. Okay, that's perfect. Bring the hot tub areas, we are waiting. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly what I was thinking about too. Like, I guess there are hot tub strings or whatever, like on YouTube, but like all those TOS problems happening with Twitch and stuff like that, and yeah, and all of those like hot tub thingy, like draining audience away from like other stuff. I don't like it at all. So yeah, this is like part of it too. Do whatever, watch whatever, but I don't like that. That it's like actually draining so much audience. Oh, I made a nice my if, okay. So yeah, once that happened, I need to loop through every items. So yeah, we do that while I is strictly smaller than the item group length, I plus plus. Yeah, we go to the item groups, right? We go to the children. Oh, it's the children, not the direct thingy. Okay. The children at length. You could make React streams, hot tub streams, $1 billion idea. I totally agree. No, actually, I would love to do Ludwig things. Like React streams and stuff like that. Like, I would love that. Like with friends and stuff. Looks so much fun. I think I speak clear enough for me to do it. That seems fun. Okay, sue me. But like, if I could add like some tech related stuff into it as well, hell yes. Like, I would like to be a mix of Ben Howard. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce him correctly, but like, if you know him, Ben Howard, Michael Reeves, stuff made here, Ludwig. I would love like a mix of all of that. Dot children, dot length. So yeah, we take that children, we put in the index of that, and yeah, we take the visibility and we put it to false here, except for that one that is going to be true, that one being the item count. Okay, let's get ready to have a gigantic array of a console in 3, 2, 1. That was lucky. Very, very lucky. Oh, you guys see in 30 FPS, right? This is not a 60 FPS stream, I think. But yeah, we have an item switcher. That's nice. And now if we add anything else to this, we should be able to see it. Why are you upside down? I do not get that. Can you behave? Boom, 180 degrees, and apply the rotation. But yeah, let's say like we add a cone, for example, a cube, let's say, a plane, why not? Like we take all of that, boom, export. We take that, we include the selected geometry, we do that, we go back on here. And now after that, big smudge is done. Boom, boom, boom. And now you're upside down. What the fuck? Okay. Yeah, it works. Works wonders. Amazing. You start by making tech unboxing or reviews. I know you used to love that. And that part where it's the 10K MacBook and the OnePlus. So I do run MacBooks now. I used to be a Apple hater for a while, an Apple hater for a while. And I'm not anymore. Okay, so we do have an item switcher. That's great. And if we change pages and come back, what happens? Yeah, I guess it re-instanced everything. Yeah. Ooh, nice bugs. We love it. Yeah, because it re-puts it in the updates, and we have more frames and stuff. Yeah, this is what's happening. But we do have a 3D item switcher, which is nice. We made a bunch of progress today. Let's leave it for here for now. Yeah. Whew. Oh, what a stream. How long? 2 hours and 25 minutes. This is a long one. This was a good stream. It's already 5:50. And we did a record break of 83 clicks on the actual stream itself. And that's nice. That's really nice. Yesterday we broke the record for number of people. Yesterday? Was I live yesterday? Yeah, yesterday we did a record for the amount of people connecting all at once, which was 10. We hit it as well today. And now 83 views. 83 different clicks on the actual thing. We only averaged, like, for the past couple of days around... that's what she said. This is a long one. That's what she said. Goodness. We did an average of like 45, 50 viewers, like different viewers per streams. But now a good 83. That's nice. That's really nice. I'm going to put you here for now. Okay. That was great. That was a great stream. I'm really happy about it. I am tired. You can see it on my face. It's been quite a week. I still have some editing to do. I would like to put out the third highlight of the build stream before Friday. That would be great. And yeah, other than that, like right now the portfolio really is the priority, because I would like it to be finished before September. It seems way too much of a task for me to be able to do that, but I would like that for me to be able to actually like start talking to different companies for next year internship at my school. Yeah, which is in April. Yeah. But we did have a wonderful stream though. We did. Whew. And like quite an interactive chat as well. Adrian too, like I will make you a moderator or something. Like you've been here like quite a while. KRE A-Base too. I don't know who you are. I think maybe I know you like outside of YouTube, but your YouTube name doesn't help me to find who you are right now. You got this. I got this. Well, should have this. Whew. Okay. I guess that's it, eh? Once again, wonderful stream. I'm really happy. Starting to gain some speed right now. Like I'm not alone on streams anymore. Which is nice. For the next couple of days, so yeah, again, I'm going to repeat that. Portfolio live streaming. We have actually a couple projects that we need to do with the 3D printer, so we're going to go on SolidWorks a few times. What else? I would like to get started on a few electronics projects because we do have a few boards that we need to use. Yeah, we have an ESP32 here. tiny pico right there that we actually need to solder the brushes ourselves. Where is it? Boom. Yeah. There you go. So yeah, this is a miniature of an ESP32. See how tiny this is compared to that. I don't want to see any, that's what she said, jokes. That and yeah, big Arduino Uno as well. So that mixed with a 3D printer, we could do some gnarly stuff. Whew. Great stream, great ambiance. Really happy. Thanks for everyone who joined in. Was a blast as usual. Yeah, soon we are going to average the tens of viewers per stream, which is going to be great. Keeps me motivated to do more every single day. Too easy, I know. That, yeah. All right. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for staying here today. See you soon, Mike. See you soon, Anatole. See you soon, Adrian. Everyone, thank you for joining. Oh, this is an idea as well. Like before saying goodbye, like a little tease for you. I would like to do a stream where I create a followers alert, like all from scratch. Like you can do some really nice things with Node.js and stuff. And I would like to do that on stream soon, and that would be great. Thank you, everyone. Goodbye. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and I see you guys maybe tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. Cheers.